Calabar High is represented by Matthew Aiken, captain, Malik Dilworth, Tyreek Sutherland, and Willando Blair. Cornwall College is represented by Jelani Ustani, Alex Shaw, Jordan Forrester, and Justin Brackett, captain. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to the 13th match in round 2 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2023. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss and Calabar High won and decided to send Cornwall College first. So we will begin with Cornwall College. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Cornwall College, we begin with mathematics. Which of the following fractions is the smallest? 1 over 2, 4 over 7, or 5 over 12?
So, 5 over 12?
5 over 12. Yes.
5 over 12? 5 over 12.
Correct. Mathematics for Calabar. Which of the following fractions is the largest? 3 over 8, 2 over 5, or 7 over 15?
Largest, no.
0.4, this is 0.2, 7 over 15.
7 over 15.
Correct. Good. Sports for Cornwall. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Arina Sabalenka. Arina Sabalenka. Arina Sabalenka.
No, that would be Victoria Azarenka.
Next one.
Sports for Calabar. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
We have blue.
All right.
Yeah, I'll go for Rabakina.
Elena Rabakina.
Elena Rabakina.
Say the first name.
Elena.
No, Arina Sabalenka.
Next one.
History for Cornwall. What was the name given to the genocide of European Jews during World War II?
The Holocaust.
The Holocaust.
Correct. History for Calabar. What was the name of the last major German offensive campaign on the Western Front during World War II?
Last major German, this was 45.
So, yeah.
Ardennes counteroffensive.
Ardennes counteroffensive.
Yes. And music. Cornwall, listen to the clip. Give the title of the song.
Smooth Criminal.
Smooth criminal.
Smooth Criminal.
Correct. Music for Calabar. Listen to the following clip and give the title of the song.
The way you make me feel.
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 Correct. Physics for Cornwall. A 300-gram cart reaches a speed of 50 meters per second in 20 seconds from a standing start. What is the magnitude of the force acting on it?
20 seconds. So, hold on. 50 over 20. 2.5. 0.3 times 2.5.
7.5. Wait. 0.75.
That will be
0.75 joules.
newtons.
Correct. What is the acceleration? This is physics for Calabar. Acceleration of 0.5 kg brick thrown with a force of 15 newtons.
15 newtons. 15 over 0.5.
Acceleration.
So meter
15
per
times
square.
2. 30 meters per square second.
30 meters per square second.
Yes. And Cornwall College, International Affairs. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Wait. Pierre Tardu.
Pierre Cardu.
Pierre Tardu. Pierre Dartu.
No. Victor Orbán, Prime Minister of Hungary.
Next one.
Calabar, International Affairs. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Klaus Ioannis.
You alone.
Answer.
Let's go.
Klaus Ioannis.
Correct. President of Romania. Cornwall College, Spanish. What is the English translation of ¿Cuáles son tus pasatiempos?
All right. What are your hobbies?
Go on.
What are your hobbies?
Correct. Spanish for Calabar. What is the English translation of ¿Qué te gusta leer?
What do you like to read?
What do you like to read?
Yes. And theatre and cinema for Cornwall. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Felix Chazard.
Viola Davis.
All right. Viola Davis.
Viola Davis.
Incorrect. Dolly De Leon. Theatre and cinema for Calabar. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Kiri Mulligan.
Carry money gun.
Correct. Information technology, Cornwall. What is the term for a named location that stores information or data permanently?
Permanently.
Uh-huh.
So this
Named.
is RAM.
Incorrect. A file or persistent storage. Information technology for Calabar. What is the term for a collection of grammar rules for giving instructions to a computer in order to perform a task?
Protocol.
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 Incorrect. Programming language
Next
or
one.
computer programming. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores: Calabar High on 7, Cornwall College on 5. When we come back, it'll be time for our speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 54 returns right after these messages.